Good afternoon, teacher. I am going to present my final project. The insulation resistance in a synchronous generator is a fundamental measurement to evaluate the quality of the electrical insulation of the winding. This procedure helps to identify possible deterioration that could compromise the safety and efficiency of the machine. Importance of the measuring insulation resistance is crucial because it ensures the integrity of the generator, prevents electrical failures, and extends the service life of the machine. It also helps maintain continuity of service by avoiding unexpected shutdowns. Definition of insulation. Electrical insulation is the material that covers the conductors inside the generator whose main function is to prevent current leakage to undesired parts of the system. Risks of poor insulation. When insulation deteriorates, it can cause current leakage, short circuits, overheating failures, and irreversible damage to the generator, affecting the safety of the insulation. Factors affecting insulation: natural aging, humidity, dust, environmental pollution, high temperatures, and overvoltages are the main causes of insulation deterioration in synchronous generators. Objective of the measurement. The main purpose of this test is to ensure that the insulation maintains adequate resistance, minimizing electrical risks and guaranteeing reliable operation of the generator. Tools used for insulation resistance measuring: a megometer, also known as Megger, is used. This specialized instrument applies a high DC voltage to measure the resistance of the insulation. General procedure. The test consists of disconnecting the generator from the network, isolating the windings, applying the test voltage through the megometer, and recording the values obtained for analysis. Acceptable values. In general, insulation in good condition should present high resistance, usually above 1 megohm per kilovolt of rated voltage. Lower values indicate deterioration or moisture in the windings. Influence of temperature. Temperature directly influences insulation resistance. The higher the temperature, the lower the resistance. For this reason, values must be corrected to a reference of 40 degrees Celsius for proper interpretation. Correction of values. Correction tables are used to normalize results, allowing comparison of measured resistance with standard values and ensuring more reliable diagnostics. Polarization index test. In addition to simple resistance, the polarization index test is performed, which compares resistance after 10 minutes with that obtained in the first minute, evaluating the electric absorption of the insulation. Polarization index values. A polarization index greater than 2 is considered excellent, between 1 and 2 is acceptable, and below 1 indicates poor insulation requiring immediate maintenance. Recording results. Results must be documented in technical reports that include environmental conditions, measured values, test date, and relevant observations. Preventive maintenance. Periodic measurement of insulation resistance is part of preventive maintenance, as it allows the identification of incipient failures and their correction before they become serious problems. Corrective actions. If low resistance values are detected, drying processes, cleaning of weldings, replacement of damaged insulation, or impregnation with the electric varnishes should be applied. Test frequency. These measurements should be carried out at generator commission, after major repairs, and periodic during operation, depending on the established maintenance plan. Applicable standards. International standards such as those from AEB and AEC regulate test procedures, reference values, and acceptance criteria for insulation. Benefits of proper measurement. Proper measurement of insulation resistance reduces electrical risks, ensures operational safety, optimizes generator performance, and avoids costs due to unexpected failures. Conclusion. Measuring insulation resistance in a synchronous generator is an essential practice to preserve safety, reliability, and efficiency of the machine, constituting a key element within electrical maintenance management. Thank you.